We gon' do this.
Hi everyone, I'm Jonas Wramell, Oriflame's Global Beauty Artistic Director, and today we're backstage at an exciting Oriflame Asia catalog shoot, where I'm going to take the opportunity to show you how to create a glamorous and an intense smoky eye look that suits for both fair and dark skin. So let's get started. First of all, makeup looks and wears better on a perfectly primed face. So be sure to cleanse and moisturize your skin before you start to put on your makeup. Now, starting on the base for the face, the first step is to produce a flawless complexion using a concealer. This is the quickest and easiest way to even out your skin. For me, this is best applied before the foundation to cover any shadows underneath the eyes, as well as hiding any redness of the skin and dark spots. Next, I'm going to apply a light foundation on the center part of the face using a foundation brush starting at the T-zone, the forehead, the nose, and the chin. Using small strokes, gently blend the foundation outwards towards the edges of the face, the hairline, and the jawline. To bring focus to the center part of the face, I use a lighter shade of the foundation, and then I blend it together with a slightly darker shade towards the edges. Now, to finish off your makeup base, I'm going to set the foundation and dust on some loose powder just where it's needed, where it can be extra shiny, like on the forehead, a little bit on the sides of the nose, and on the chin. After applying concealer and foundation, we're going to contour the face to make it appear slimmer and more defined. We do this by using blush and a brush. Start by dabbing the brush onto your blusher. Then press the bristles together and form a line from the middle of your ear straight towards the outer corner of your lips. Release the brush and blow out any excess powder. And start blending back and forth from the ear to your mouth and around the cheek. Add the blush to the temple areas as well to create a slimmer feature to your face. For a healthy and glowing look, we're also going to apply color on the apples of the cheeks. Using a sweep-like motion, apply blush from the apples of the cheeks towards the temples to diffuse and blend. Avoid making the shape too round. We want it to appear irregular so it looks more like a natural blush coming from the inside. The eyebrows are a very important feature of the face. Not only do they frame your eyes and make them look bigger, they also frame your entire face. So with well-shaped and well-contoured eyebrows, you're going to look even more confident and beautiful. I'm going to shape and fill in the eyebrows using an eyebrow shadow in the shade that's closest to the current hair color. Working with short and light strokes, fill in the eyebrows following its natural shape, from the beginning of the brow to the arch. Then using more long, feather-like strokes, finish off from the arch to the ends to make the brow look longer. Fixate using a brow gel to make sure all the hairs are in the right place. And now, to create a glamorous smoky eye look that's very flattering for women with big, deep-set eyes, we want to achieve that desired exotic look. the perfect blend of adventure and sensuality. I'm going to start by applying the lightest shadow over the entire lid and up underneath the brow. This will highlight the brow and make your eyes come across as more awake and more beautiful. Now, apply a shimmering beige cream shadow to add to the glamorous effect. Next step is to highlight the brow bone and create that 3D illusion. Sweep on a medium colored eyeshadow using a big eyeshadow brush that will almost find the right shape itself. When we're finished with the brow bone, sweep the same eyeshadow underneath the eye to follow the eye's natural shape. And now, it's time to frame the eyes and the lash line using a gel eyeliner and a small brush. Line the eyes as close to your lashes as possible. After that, layer it by using a black kohl pencil. This will be perfect when we later smudge the liner to make the look smoky. Key to beautiful smoky eye is blending. There should be no visible lines. We want to create a haze of smoky black around the eye. To further maximize the size of your eyes, we're going to use an eyelash curler before we apply the mascara. We want to start as close to the roots of the eyelash as possible and curl once, move out to the middle and curl again, and finally move to the tip of the lash and curling it one last time. Your eyes will look more doll-like and the curl will last longer. And now for the final step in creating the smoky eye look is applying the mascara. Take note though, we're not only going to apply the mascara from the inside and out. We're going to divide the lashes into 3 different sections: an inner, a middle, and an outer section. I apply the mascara to the inner part towards the nose, the middle part straight up, and the outer part straight towards the temples of the face. This application technique is going to create a fuller and more fan-like effect to your lashes and make your eyes pop. Before you start applying your lipstick, always make sure your lips are well moisturized with a lip balm. The next step to gorgeous lips is to apply a converted lip liner. I do this by gently patting a light concealer on the center part of the lip, as well on the edges of the lip shape. This will create a more graphic lip look, and it will also make your lips look more plump and luscious. Now, start to define the shape of your lips by using a lip liner. Fill in the entire lip for a long-lasting and bold lip look. To apply the lipstick, I use a lipstick brush. This allows me to have a more precise application, so the result looks more professional and the lipstick will last longer. Start from the inner corners of your lower lip on both sides and meet up in the middle. When you come to the mid-lower part, extend the lipstick color just a little bit outside your original shape. What this does is to create a special pout. Do the same for the upper lip, starting from the inner corners and meeting up in the middle. To finish off the lips, I'm going to apply a toffee-colored lip gloss to the center of the lips. The technique is to have it lighter in the center to create an effect that the lips are full and plump. Now it's up to you to try and recreate these looks using our beautiful Oriflame products at home. And I hope you enjoyed staying with me and getting some tips and tricks of the trade. Good luck!